looks like our friend from Earth is ready for the examination. Let us recalibrate the cryogenesis to awaken them. It appears they are still asleep, so as I must recalculate the calibration. Okay, perfect. It looks like it's corrected with the calibration. Let's see, they should awaken anytime soon. Connection established with the central nervous system. Okay. Perfect. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hello there. Hello there. Hello there, human from Earth. Welcome. Welcome to outer space. It appears you are here as you signed up for an alien examination, correct? Wonderful. I am Alien 24601, otherwise known as Alien Luna. I'm going to raise you up as it might be a bit difficult for you to relax, so we can continue the analyzation of your health, you earthling. Yes, so let us raise you up. Marvelous. And welcome to outer space. Is it your first time with us? Wonderful. Well, we accept beginners, and we accept people who have been here all the way from the past. Welcome. Now to reconnect with you, what is your Earth name? Marvelous. And it says you signed up for the alien examination, correct? Asking if we may proceed. Marvelous. And what we're going to do today is an alien exam. They will examine and take various samples from you to assess what it is like being an earthling on Earth. Are you ready? Let's begin. First step is scanning and sanitization. I'm going to look for space lice. Now, I know it sounds like it's a little bit dangerous, however, in outer space from Earth, Earth has a lot of germs that we don't have in outer space. So I'm going to carefully check your scalp for space lice. Okay? Good. Just sit still. I'm just going to carefully check. And I found one. What I'm going to do is we're going to take that away. And I found another right there. Space lice. And I'm just going to take that away. Found that right there. And I'm just going to take that away. CO2 from when we breathe removes space lice. So, carefully function for sound. Wonderful. Humans are so interesting. And are you able to visually see with your eyes? Fabulous. Humans must be so smart. Now, I'm going to examine your eyes. And I'm going to just carefully ask you to sit still, as this might be a bit of an interesting exam. In outer space, we test your eyes for lenses. Your eyes have lenses in them, and most aliens here have several sets of lenses. Some from galaxies away with 58 eye lenses to shape and change due to the atmosphere. I'm going to be checking each set of your lenses. Is that okay? Good, darling. So, I have what is here known as a lens defier. This will break through to the first lens. And I have a pen light. I'm going to carefully look and get a bit close to you. But I'm going to use the pen light to assess and scan your eyes. Now I'm going to ask you to stare right at the line right there where that says 40. Are you able to read? Marvelous, you humans are so smart. So right there where it says the number 40, take a look. Each lens will have progressively brighter light, but continue to focus only at the 40. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is lens 1. Looks like the atmosphere you are able to see here would be roughly around 10 solar light. That's marvelous for us. Now, keep looking at the 40, and I'm going to shine the light directly there. From the peripheral vision of your eyes, can you see the light? Marvelous. Now, do not look at the number 40, look at the light. Can you see the light? Good. Now look back at the number 40. Thank you. Scan complete for that, 25%. Looks like you are at 3 rayons of light. Second level is this one right there. Please look back at 40 and refrain from looking at the light for now. This is the second fraction of light, which would be on an ecosystem much more brighter than outer space, where light travels a bit faster. Good. Keep looking at the number 40. Now look right at the light. Can you see how the light is getting brighter? You can. Fantastic. Now look back at the 40 and refrain from looking at the light. Marvelous. Wonderful. So human eyes so far can see up to 50 rayons. This is level 3. It should be very bright here. And most cannot see the light right here at level 4. Look back at the 40. Thank you. So, this is level 3. It should get a bit more difficult to see the light now. And if you're looking, can you see the light right there? Good. Using your peripheral vision and staying your eyes close to the 40, can you still see the light? Good. Now, refrain from looking at the 40. Look directly at the light. Can you see that it is the brightest here? Very good, you can tell. Good, now look back at the 40. Very good. That is 90 rayons of light that the human eye can see. And now this is the most difficult part of the exam. Most are not able to see right there on this lens. Let's test it out. This light is very difficult to see even from the most detailed aliens from all over the galaxy. Can you see the light from looking at the number 40? No. That is what I precisely thought. Now look directly at the light. Can you see it? No, you cannot. Okay. That was the analysis for 120 rayons of light, which would calculate to about a direct sunlight with the thinnest layer of an ozone or an atmosphere, such as something along the lines of a division between Mercury or something between that and Venus. So Could you hear that, by the way? Wonderful, you humans are so unique. You can see, hear, and you can move. That's fabulous. More than 75,000 different types of people from different places along the galaxy. You are lucky. Now, just to the other side of the ear right there. Okay. Flick it back to the side. That sample was perfect for the ear. Sending this one in now too. And then I'm going to ask you to say ah. Okay. Please say ah. I'm just going to carefully just take a quick assessment right there. Good. And then just say ah. Good. And you can relax for sending that right on in. Okay, I'm going to set this down now. Okay, and I'm just going to calculate carefully, so just... Okay, it looks like we were at... Okay, so... It looks like you human have something known as antibodies. That is magnificent. You must be a very intelligent human species. Yes. And it looks like humans also produce... Wow, you guys are so futuristic, similar to aliens here. Yes, I am from 15 galaxies away. I have the body to change anything about myself. So today I transformed to look like a human like you, so you'd feel more comfortable. Are you able to do transfiguration? Not yet. Well, you will. Your genetics are wonderful, and it looks like humans are very smart. Now, do you walk on all hands and legs? No. What do you do? Wow, you use your legs to walk. Magnificent. Similar to a Tyrannosaurus Rex, correct? You're not too sure? Well, you are just like him. Now, I am going to take the goggles off. And I'm going to test your eyes. But I'm going to place this on your hand to calculate your heart rate while also calculating how humans respond with the eye response. So please give me one hand, darling. One hand, perfect. And we're just going to let that rest. Very good. Now I'm going to test your responses with your eyes. Okay, let's begin. I have two lightsabers here. Okay, and one is changing in color, and one is stable with color. What I want you to do is to keep all of your focus on this stable light that's green, and please do not distract yourself with the other light. I'm testing your eyes' musculature, reflex, and response due to orbital reflex and light refraction, and we're currently at 90 lumens, so keep looking at the green light. Good, 90 lumens, perfect. Keep looking at the green light, don't get distracted. Good, and keep looking a little bit closer, and keep looking at the green. Good, and keep assessing right on that. Good. And now, let's just follow through and get a little bit closer. Good. Very marvelous. Perfect. Now I'm going to ask you, because they cannot perceive colour, so you are at an advantage. Yes. And personally, for my alien eyes, there are sets of colours I don't know. However, I do know the answers, as I am the test maker. Yes. I could not see the violet from the past. However, you could. Yes. Now, I'm going to do several calculations here, and we're just going to be adjusting once we see necessary. So, asking you to sit still. I'm going to perceive that you have a full head. 1.323 is to sit still. And then perceiving the structural integrity of the eyebrow. That's about a 2.3 and 3.3456. 1, 2, 3, and about a 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. The nose at a 3.3234. Okay. Okay, looking at the size right there of the cheekbone. Looking at pi, which is about 3.1415929653582684623. Okay. On the other side, let's see if the structural side of the cheekbone is the same at 145. 145, perfect. Which is half of pi of the distance between the two. Sit still, please. Examining the nose, so we're at 142. 142. Okay. And now I'm going to use this just for the size of the lips, like so. So we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay. Okay, then right now we're looking at about 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3. Okay, and then right there we're looking roughly at around a 8, 7, 4. 8, 7, 4. Perfect. So, looks like the calibration between your eyes and the function of them is quite structurally similar to our alien life form, assuming that you also have the function and ability to hear. Yes. And can you smell? Wonderful, as does your nose. So, I have 3 essential oils that I have acquired from Earth, but I use them as sample smells to see and assess if you can identify certain structures of smells. There are typically 3. 1 is prominent, 2 is sweet, and 3 is savory. That's what these 3 are. So, we're going to test the first one, so I'm going to ask you just to close your eyes, okay? And let me know what the first one is. I'm going to place it under your nose. Just take a guess what the smell is. There's no correct answer. So, what is this right below your nose? This one is perfect, exactly like a spore. That sounds wonderful on Earth. And it is minty. Wonderful, darling. This one is peppermint. You did magnificent. Humans are very intelligent indeed. Now, on to the next one. Now, you humans have such magnificent things on Earth. I'm impressed. Now, keep your eyes closed and take a guess what you smell here. Okay, more of a citrus. Good. More of something a bit like a lemon and a grass. Perhaps something like a flower. Wonderful, good job. This one is tea tree. It is a citrus. I would even say most herbaceous. Reminds me of human spices. This one's lovely, good job. Okay. And here's the third one. I adore this one. This one's lovely. So, I'm gonna ask you to smell this one. And what do you smell? Okay, perfect. Floral, sweet, like a dessert. Okay, and almost like an aroma of a bouquet of flowers. Marvelous. This one is jasmine, and it reminds me of a flower we have on my planet. Yes, it's lovely. Good job. Okay. Now I'm going ask you just to blow right there on this machine, and we're going to calculate the PSI of your lungs here in outer space, okay? Are you ready? Let's begin. 3, 2, 1. One more time. 3, 2, 1. Good. Your outer space calculation for lung pressure appears to be roughly at around 70.3 psi. Magnificent. So, on Earth, it is not like that at all. However, we are in outer space, in a refined spaceship, similarly galaxies away from Earth. Pressure and index is different here, so we'll calculate it for Earth and send that to you. Yes. Perfect. And last but not least, I'm just carefully going to analyze you, and we're just going to count similar shapes that we have seen. So 2 eyes, eyebrows, a nose. Are you ready? Let's begin. So I always use my musculature to test. So we have 1 forehead, 1 nose, 2 eyes, a mouth, and a scalp. Good. Movement is successful with the musculature. Now we have hair. About 33,000 follicles of hair. Okay, and we have about 14,000 eyebrows and eyelashes. These goggles give me the ability to count fast. And you seem to have beautiful skin. On Earth, do you follow a skin regime? Wonderful. I love it. Your skin's gorgeous. Okay, now let's just see. Got nose, eyes, and then the chin. Good. 2 shoulders, and then give me an arm. Good. You have a hand. You have 5 fingers. Good. You have an arm. You have a hand and 5 fingers. Good. And then can you move your legs if possible? Wonderful. Great. You've got 2 legs, 2 feet, and 2 ankles. Magnificent. Now, do humans happen to have cat ears? No. Okay. That's a little too sad. I like those. So, we're going to be sending our results now back to Earth. Thank you for staying with us today for your alien exam. We'll be reapplying the cryogenesis now, and we will send you all the results in your email. You will awaken to feel refreshed and revitalized in the morning. How does that sound, darling? Good. Marvelous. Well, thank you for coming on by to the alien exam